Hello and welcome to this Redstore video where we're going to cover the backup and selection of Microsoft 365. So in this case I've already gone to redstore.com, logged into the Redstore marketplace as my customer, and as you can see I've got 3 products available. I can back up Google G Suite, Microsoft 365 and backup and recovery and archiving for servers, desktops and laptops. In this video we're going to concentrate on the setup of Microsoft 365. So I'm going to click on that button and this will redirect me to the Redstore app. Once we're logged in here, over on the left hand side you'll see the products that are available for me to configure. So I'm going to click on Microsoft 365 and over on the right hand side there is an add button. Then I can choose Exchange, OneDrive, SharePoint and Teams. So I'm going to start off with Exchange, and then it's going to ask that it needs permission to access your Microsoft 365 tenant. So I'm going to click on Next and I'm going to get redirected to log in with those credentials. There are some terms and conditions that you need to accept. We are going to extract data from Microsoft 365 and of course in a recovery we're going to need to put the data back. So you need to accept those terms and conditions. And that's it, we're all ready to run our backup. In the Exchange panel, if I click on Edit, you'll see by default we're selecting Mail, Calendar and Contacts. In terms of backup selection, by default we select absolutely everything. But if you want to customize this, you can click on the Edit button and you can then choose to back up everything or individual mailboxes or entire departments. And finally, there's the backup schedule. A daily backup will automatically be configured for you, but of course you can customize this if you desire. And once you're happy with the settings, you can simply click on the Backup Now button to start the backup of Microsoft 365. But in my case, I want to add the other components. So I'm going to go back over to Microsoft 365 Overview, again click on the Add button, and then repeat the process for OneDrive. Again, we'll be prompted for Microsoft 365 authentication. I log in with my Microsoft 365 tenant. I accept the terms and conditions like before and click on Accept. And again, by default, all of my OneDrive users will be selected for backup. But again, you're welcome to go in and edit the selection and choose what users and departments you wish to select. Now I'm going to repeat the process for SharePoint. So I click on Add, choose SharePoint, authenticate with Microsoft, accept the terms and conditions, and lastly I'm going to repeat the process one more time for Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to click on my Microsoft 365 overview, click on the Add button, choose Teams, authenticate with Microsoft, accept the terms and conditions, and we now have successfully created backup selections for Microsoft 365 Exchange, OneDrive, SharePoint and Teams. Thanks ever so much for watching.